The letters I-R, U-R, and E-R can all team up to make the sound. Like in the word bird. B-bird. Bird.
My dad is the coolest bird ever!
And in the word surf. S-earth. Surf. And in the word her. H-er. Her.
Wooly! That's our friend Katie.
The bird was surfing with her.
Cowabunga!
Spell the word perch. You spelled perch. Perch. E and R make the sound. Match the pictures and the words. Match the pictures and the words. Good job! Which words have the sound? In the sentence, the baker added water to the other cake batter. Baker. Batter. Water. Oops. Other. Water. Baker. Good thinking. Spell the word shirt. Or. You spelled shirt. I and R make the sound. These words have the sound. Match the pictures and the words.
Stir, whirl, girl. Whirl. Skirt. Twirl. Dirt. Stir. Dirt. Stir.
Good work! Which words have the sound? In the sentence, the thirsty bird chirped and squirmed. Thirsty bird. Chirp. Squirmed. Great! Spell the word nurse. Or. R. You spelled nurse. U and R make the sound. Match the pictures and the words.
Surf. Church.
Match the pictures and the words.
Turn.
Great job! Which words have the sound? In this burst. With a burst of speed, the turtle raced to the curb. Awesome! Which words have the sound? Give them to Olo.
Curb. hurt. Girl, herd,
Cool beans. Find the word swirl. Find the word nerve. Find the word skirt. Find the word verse. Find the word lurk. Find the word blur. Find the word. Time's up. You got 6 correct. Which words have the sound? Remember, there is more than one way to make the sound. Which words have the sound? Remember, there is more than one way to make the sound. Which words have the sound? Keep it up. Which words have the sound? Keep up the good work. We learned so much together. Pick your favorite gift.